My name is Ruiheng Huang. My ID is 6631203520. Now I'm going to present my individual project for business statistics. Okay, now explain the problem that I'm trying to solve. Use the data to analyze to know when people arrive at the Phoenix on time. Is the Phoenix available or not? Let's talk about this problem. Like when I went to the gym at 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. There are a lot of people at the MFU gym Phoenix. So I'm worried about that. I already paid money, but I have to waiting for other people finish exercise because the equipment is unavailable. So I'm going to try to solve this problem. Data collection. What kind of data that I collect? Age, like almost student like orange is 19, 20, 21, 23, or employee is 30, 20, like that, or gender female and male. What time do you go to gym, and frequency, and like 1 year, daily, monthly, and weekly, and arrive on time or not, and occupation like student, employee, worker, or something like that, and how much you spend going to the gym. Like student is 30 baht, and the worker is 45 baht per ton. Okay, how can I collect the data? I collect the data by Google Form. This is the Google Form that I made. This is the QR code, and this is my Google Form. And I got 101 response. This is let's see. So now I'm going to explain where I collected data. I went to the MFU Phoenix, and I also asked a gym place. So I like going to the MFU gym. So I want to throw this problem. It's comfortable for me, for everyone, that people who like to exercise at MFU gym. So this is how can I collect the data for real life. Now let me explain the model. I put my CVC file in here. This one. Okay, this is age, this gender, when to go to gym, and frequency. occupation arrive on time or not, and how much you spend. And next is initial module features. Okay, this is the 7th feature in my case. This arrive on time is my target. Now we are going to check the data table. This is my target. This is the age. Next is people. Now we are going to do the pre-process. Okay, now we are put the continuous in here. And next is data simple. We select 19%, 19 people for training, 91 people for training, 10 people for texting. Okay, next is text score. Make connection with KMN. One is for text, one is for trading the data. So now we are going to look at this text and score. The accuracy is 0.595, 59%, and CA is 60%. The accuracy is lower than we require 60%, so we have to train the data. It's not good. So now I'm going to do the scatter plot. Now we are going to looking here, and we can see clearly X is age, Y is what time you go to the gym. We scale the image. We can see here. Zero be here is the age, and time is unequal. Now we are going to people. This is my data table. Now we can clear to know age, when, and time, This is 12345 1110. Now we are going to add the process normalize feature in here, normalize to interview, and we look the image again, image. Okay, we can see 0, 0, 2.1, and now we can easy to know the distance. We can easy to calculate the distances. Okay, next is text and score. Okay, we look at the accuracy we compare with before. Now is the accuracy is be improved. Before that is before that is 0.59%. Okay, now this is good. We're getting better, and now we are going to add the confusion matrix. Okay, now we are going to explain the confusion matrix. Okay, we can see 2 times confused, yes we know, and we can see 2 times confused, no with yes, and also we can see yes with yes is 5 times, and no with no is 1 times. Now we add the prediction. We can clearly to know the KMM no and yes. So we know about that. The arrive on time yes and KMM is yes. So the KMM yes is larger than the KMM no, and this is good. Also this one, and this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. So we can clearly to know people who come to gym on time, and the booking time, and age, and when, and the gender. So I recommend the people arrive on time, because if the guys doesn't on time and you went to the gym, you want to exercise more time, so you have to consider the people who are at the next time, who are at the next booking time. So you are think from the people perspective, so we easy to know people who arrive on time. So this is my presentation. Thank you.